we need the sheets, right? First, you bring the sheets of the panel boards.
No, that is different. That is for high voltage
Ah.
panel fabrication. You are talking about fabrication,
Yes, fabrication.
welding, cutting, folding,
Ah.
this kind of.
You are
This
not.
is low voltage. We are totally using ABB products, enclosure, breakers, everything from ABB. High voltage we are doing 100% manufactured in Qatar.
High voltage is here also. Or?
Yeah, we are doing high voltage.
We can see it. Or?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll
Okay.
go on.
So for the low voltage panels, we are.
This bay is
You are
completely
only.
for low voltage
You are only making.
assembly.
Yeah?
We are like a channel partner for ABB. We are doing assembly here.
Assembly only.
These components can be brought by only the channel partners. They will not. Other people cannot get this material
Okay.
through ABB.
Okay, let us see. Okay.
And see here a lot of AC stuff.
Okay.
So we can commit immediate delivery possible there.
Okay.
Even within a week we can deliver the panel.
Okay.
Any quantity of panels we can do it.
These
Stocks for MCCBs.
MCCBs, MCBs, everything.
Everything is stock.
Are you supplying the isolators or?
Yeah,
Also. هم هنا يا جماعة بيجمعوا اللوحات بس، يعني في اللو فولتج اللوحات اللو فولتج بيجمعوا اللوحات بس، زي ما احنا شايفين كده مسامير وصواميل
So we have ERP system. It will be yeah, ERP numbers. We have stock now. We can see from the system how many numbers we have stock on the particular item.
يعني now يعني for example if I request a low voltage panel with يعني 16 militia circuit breaker.
Yeah.
So what is the procedure should be done?
Yeah, first based on your inquiry,
Okay.
we will quote and we will check the stock. What is the delivery time and all we will see. If you are asking quick delivery, we will verify with the store. We have ERP system that they will confirm the quantity, how many we have stock based on the number.
Yes.
There will be a racking system. So even if it is no less than the required quantity, it will give pop-up message. So they will keep stock always, minimum stock.
Yes. Yes.
There will be a stock level.
Okay. Okay. هو دلوقتي بيقول ان هو بيجمع لوحات لما احنا نديله اوردر فهو بيتشيك هل عنده الكميات دي موجوده في المصنع والاول قبل ما بيرد عشان طبعا الدليفري تايم وبعد كده بيقول اقدر اقدمها في الميعاد ده او لا. طب what about this?
Here completely assembling section this is.
This is assembly
Section like small things DB, SMDB will be assembled.
Okay.
This is the enclosure which we are bringing either it from the ABB
Okay.
directly or from the some other manufacturer which has been tested for the IP rating.
Okay.
So complete assembly will work on these stations.
يعني first it will be tested the IB for the IB rating.
Yeah,
And then you are here only assembly.
only assembly.
Not as same as the high voltage panels.
No, it is not same as
You are making manufacturing from the A to Z
correct
for high voltage.
for high voltage. But for LV we are completely bringing from either from ABB or
From ABB you are
Yeah.
bringing IB rating tested, and then you are assembling only the circuit breakers, putting the bars, like
yes,
this.
correct. That we'll see later on.
Okay.
How we are. For this panel it is IP65.
6.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the first step he is now what he is making now, please.
Now he's making the, here you can see he's making the layout, means on the door what component will come. So accordingly he's measuring the dimensions and then he will punch it.
To make it to make holes.
Holes.
Once you are putting the circuit breakers to be appeared.
Yes. So this is completely marking on the door.
Okay.
And then after marking this hole, the punching will be done and the all indication lamps and whatever the accessories is coming on the door, that will be cut out. Cutout will be made.
Okay. Let's go for the next step.
Next station.
Now what he is doing here?
Yes. He is now arranging the internal. Here we can see there is a blank plate. This is a plate which has been taken out.
Yes.
Now he has to fix this all components on this plate.
You should
This-
put this on
This
blade.
plate.
Okay.
So for fixing this, he's just arranging he's arranging completely, means by here you can see the markings.
Okay.
How the DIN rail will run. It is lighter, but we can see how the DIN rail will work.
By
And this
pencil,
is
by
the drawing. Based on this drawing,
دي اللي بتتحط جوه عشان يثبت عليها سيفتي بريكرز.
based on this arrangement, he will make the arrangement like this on the physically. Based on this.
Based on this, he will make the safety
Arrangement.
breakers to be
Yeah.
arranged here.
Not only
Just to fix this here.
Cut or fix?
yes, here
Cut or fix?
we'll just fix it. So here it will be a DIN rail will come. We'll see the DIN rail.
يعني by these holes it is fixed here, right?
Correct. This hole will be fixed here in this bar.
Okay, and in this bar there is a hole there,
Right.
and then this circuit breaker to be fixed here.
Correct.
How he will fix?
Over there we can see how it is going to fix. Like this.
Okay. Can you show us how to you are
Fix
fixing?
करो breaker. Breaker fix करो. ये निकालो वापस से लगाओ.
يعني this is fixed or no?
It's fixed, already fixed.
Can you?
दूसरा वाला लगाओ.
Another one.
Here, this will be fixed like this.
First you make hole and this is channel.
Yeah.
Channel.
See channel.
سي شانل.
Safety breaker.
Yes.
يا جماعة
For fixing this.
هو بيبقى السيت الجزء ده اللي هو بتاع السيت شانل
all
ده
are DIN rail
عشان
mounted.
يركب هنا ويعشقه زي ما هو بيعمل كده بالظبط.
No, this is the contactors.
دي كونتاكت زي ما بيقولوا.
Magnetic contactor.
دي بريكس سيركت بريكر. ده كده بريكس سيركت بريكر وده الكونتاكت. اوكي. So what is the next step؟ لحد دلوقتي
Next step will come to the finish.
عشان النقطة رقم. اوكي the next step. Here. This is the next step.
Yes. This
Once he
Fix
fix everything for light contactors, circuit breakers, whatever, and
then the complete wiring will be done based on our wiring schematic diagram.
Yes.
Wiring is going on another station.
Okay.
We can see. This is the finished product.
this is the finished product.
Yes.
يعني there is a step before this.
Yes.
And then he will make this wiring for the lamps. Yes. Okay, let us see. Okay, you are the leader here.
These are the standard DBs. This is also one of what we saw is the control panel. This is the DB, distribution
DB,
board.
yes.
This will come directly from ABB that is made in Egypt.
It was made in Egypt, our
Yeah.
country.
Yes, it is from your country.
Yes.
So these DBs this completely will come from the ABB. Just what we will do, we will only fix the breakers. This all breakers is going to be fixed here.
Yes.
And we will arrange based on the schedule. This is the schedule here. We can see based on this schedule, the all breakers will be
Yes,
arranged.
yes. بصوا يا جماعه عشان ده يعني جزء يعتبر من اللود سكيدول اللي احنا اتكلمنا عليه قبل كده. اللود سكيدول ده هو بيجي بيعمل له ريفلكت هنا على اللوحه. فاهمين قصدي ايه؟ طبعا البالانس اللي انت عملته ده هو طبعا هنا ملوش دعوه بالبالانس، هو اهم حاجه ان عدد السلك بريكرز يبقى قد الايه اللي موجود هنا. عشان كده ده لما بيجي اللي احنا طالبينه لما بيجي لك ده جزء من الماتيريال
This is switch disconnector for the main. For the main and this is distributions.
احنا بنبعت نقول
Outgoing.
له عايزين دي بي
بالمواصفات
This
دي
is MCB.
هو
This
بتبعت له
is
اللود
RCBO.
سكيدول. اوكي for the procedure يعني you are receiving from us load schedule just to start.
Correct.
To start what? To send to us the manufacturer shop drawing or which the material submitted.
Yes.
Which is manufacturer shop drawing. Which mean what is the what is the size, what is the dimension, what is
Everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay, يعني there is difference between form 2, form 3.
Yeah, it will be a difference. Now this is completely form 2.
This all form 2.
Yeah. The control panel which we saw, that is also form 2.
Form 2.
Yes.
Okay. Please can you tell them what is the difference between form 2 and form 3
Yes.
and form 4?
Yeah. See, here we can see everything like incoming. Sorry, this is incoming, outgoing, and the bus bar are in the same compartment, in same enclosure. We can see. So this will come under form 2 enclosure. It is called form 2. Form 3, what will be? This will be separate compartment in separate. This will be in this will be in separate. Each breaker will be in separate, and bus bar will be in the separate. That will
bar.
come under Form 3.
Form 3.
Yeah.
So
Form
Form
4
3, everything is in separate compartment,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
That we will see the panel with the Form 3. This
دي
is
فورم 2. فورم 2 بيخلي المين بريكر اللي هو الانكoming والاوت جوينج مع الباس بار كله في خليه واحده. كلها في لها، كلها انت شايفها مره واحده. انما في الفورم 3 هو بيقول ان كل حاجه بيخلي لها سيبريشن، بتبقى لوحدها. يعني المين بريكر لوحده وده لوحده والباس بار لوحده، رايت؟ باس بار سيبريت اند every single breaker separate. Okay.
Yes.
But what about Form 4? Form 4 we will see in the high voltage panel. I think it will be
No, not in high voltage. Low voltage also. We
low
can
voltage also. Okay, okay. Then this is
see. Yeah, this is RCBO. This is MCB.
okay. This EL3.
Yeah, that is ELCB.
Okay,
This is here.
okay.
This is the battery box. It is required as per Karama regulation.
Battery.
Battery box for MV panel.
تعال
Wiring is not done so far. So here we can see the batteries are there, chargers are there, and the as per regulation voltmeters is also there.
as per regulation of Kahrama.
Yeah. as per-
They need battery box.
Battery
What is يعني what we are using for
For this we are using for tripping the circuit breaker.
tripping circuit breaker?
Yes. During the fault there should be a supply available. As per regulation 30 volt DC supply is required. That supply will be fitted by this panel.
No, I don't understand.
See.
Okay,
For
now
the Karama LV panel.
this is for LV panel,
This
right?
is for LV panel.
Now for the main breaker.
For the main
Okay, main breaker now there is a short circuit happened.
breaker. No, this is not for short circuit.
Or this is for
This is for-
interruption?
If there is a REF fault.
RF.
So REF will close
Yes.
contact,
Yes.
but that contact will go to the tripping coil.
Yes.
To energize that tripping coil, supply is required. So this supply is required for that tripping coil.
From the tripping coil.
Yeah.
Yes.
ACB, air circuit breaker tripping coil, that supply is required. This is that supply.
But name battery box.
Yeah, this
Good.
is battery.
Okay.
يا باشا يعني دي عايزين افهم انا
انت دلوقتي عشان في الار اف
شفتها قبل كده ف
الريزيدوال
الام في بقى
الريزيدوال ايرث فولد رايت؟ ذا نيم اوف ار اف تيست
Restricted or fault.
ريستريكتد ايرث فولد. ريستريكتد ايرث فولد ده بيبقى عشان اللي هي الفولد اللي بتحصل ما بين الام في بانل والترانسفورمر. عشان لما يحصل عشان تعمل تريب لازم في كويل بيشتغل. خلاص هو الباتري بوكس ده هو بيعمل انرجايز للكويل عشان يعمل تريب. يعني this battery box making energize for the coil to make trip on the circuit breaker.
These are there,
Okay.
and the battery charger is there.
Battery
And
charger.
for that protection, these fuses are also there.
Fuse.
Fuse or
Yeah, fuses. And
5
this,
ampere or what?
yeah, this will be 4 ampere.
4
4
ampere.
ampere.
Yes. And here, the terminal box are there. From this terminal outgoing side, this wire will go to the LV panel tripping coil.
Tripping coil.
From here.
Okay. Okay.
This
Okay.
relay, this relay.
No, this is not relay. That is terminal block.
كملها بيكمل بس عليه.
توصيلة يعني.
روزيتا. اوكي. في حاجه هنا يا جماعه انتوا
لا يا باشا ما احنا هنسال
انجينير صديق. What we need to discuss about this?
These are the bus bars,
Bus bar.
which is based on, which is made based on the our drawing. This bus bar is going to be used for low voltage panel, 2500 ampere.
2500 ampere.
Yes. Here we can. This is all
like
completely
like
copper.
LV panel.
Like LV panel, LV
دي
panel.
البارات اللي بتستخدم LV panel زي ما
Yeah, bus bar.
وهنا معموله بالالوان عشان ريد ويلو وبلو وطبعا الاسود اللي هو
This all material is the copper, tin copper, and it's come from
بلاك
Malaysia.
از نيوترال.
Black is no.
اوكي. and the earth
Earth will be without any coding, as per regulation.
without any color.
Any color.
just
Only earthing tag will be there.
What is the bus bar?
Side.
Size, the size.
This is 100 by 10. This is 100 by 10. 100, yeah.
عرض
100
كده
mm
و-
and thickness is 10 mm.
thickness 10.
Yeah. This is 60 by 10. 60 and thickness is 10. So this will vary. This
You
all
have
bus,
this NG panel and this is
قول له
all
قول
MV panel.
له قول له
This will be main horizontal bus bar, this will be vertical droppers. This all bus bar sizes is as per type tested design
Type this is design.
according to IEC 61439.
IEC.
Six
You are following IEC.
Yes.
تمام. Okay. Okay. Let's do that.
Here we can see this is actually customized where the client is having the bigger cable size and there is some restriction in the standard SMDBs. So we cannot manufacture actually in standard SMDB if the cable sizes are more, too much more. For that we used to make some customization like this.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this is customized. This will be an incoming cable will come.
Okay.
And this is outgoing, two outgoing. So directly cable will come, it will plug here. So this is molded case circuit breaker, MCCBs.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is what's it called?
This is green panel, which is specifically made for the Ashgal project.
أشغال.
Yeah, Ashgal.
أشغال. I know. Yes. For what? For which purpose?
Ashgal standard calls for green panels. This
Green
is going
panels.
green panel.
Oh, yeah,
this is
yeah.
going for the sewage pump.
But it's normal panel, but it's so. هي أشغال يا جماعة طالبة هنا إن هي اللوحات تبقى خضراء. حاجة غريبة بصراحة. يعني you don't know why it should be green?
No,
Just-
it is no. We know why. Technical reason we are aware because this is going in the water treatment plant.
Water treatment. Yeah.
Specifically, where the corrosive, too much corrosive is there. So there is a standard has been set that if the something means the water is there, too much water is there, or something corrosive environment is there, if the green panel is there, so it will not corrode at the earliest. Reason is if I give this color, this is RL7035.
Yeah.
Now if I give it in very dusty area, this will be dirty very soon.
Yes.
So this will not dirt soon,
This one
not dirt soon.
not dirty. Yes.
It will not be dusty.
Yes.
Yeah, soon. So this panel is recommended by the Ashgal for their plants.
Only for because it will not be dusty as soon as
Only
possible.
as soon as.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
باشا دي ام سي سي صح؟
لا. MCC. We need to see MCC panel.
Yes, this is MCC, nothing but this is Form 2 enclosure.
Form 2.
Form 2. Here we can see this is MCC.
This MCC 2 speed ولا
Yeah, 2 speed, single speed.
you have VFD. I need show MCC VFD 2 speed and I need show the MCC
ما تقلقيش.
VFD.
I'll just see whether it is we have right now or not. If we have, I'll show you. Otherwise, many panels we used to make like that.
Yes.
VFD with 2 speed.
This 2 speed only.
This is 2 speed. Here we can see.
6 fan the one.
Here, yeah. Here we can see low speed, high
Yes,
speed.
yes, I know.
Two speed only.
Yeah.
But inside this one only 6 fan.
Inside.
You sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 fan. But 2 speed. 2
2 speed.
يعني not have VFD. Not have VFD.
No, it is not having VFD. The winding of the starter motor will be 2 speed.
Okay. Normal or high only. Low or high?
Lower.
No.
Motor control system.
No, this is for exhaust fan.
Exhaust fan.
Yeah. So this all 2 speed we can see. So this is an exhaust fan.
Yes.
So one is for one fan. One is
fan.
this one. Let us say this one set. Here one set will be for one fan.
Yes.
Then similar way, second
For
set
the
will
other
be
fan.
second fan. So from front side we can see. Just I'll show you.
في
Now.
هو عايز اوريك من قدام.
There is a segregation. This is one set.
One set, yes.
This is second set. Like that.
And I have some connection of fire alarm.
Yes, that is also there.
Yes.
For
This one
fire
also.
alarm. For fire alarm,
This one.
24 volt AC supply is
Yes,
required.
I know.
Yes.
And BMS.
Yes.
Which
BMS.
must be have اسمها إيه؟ contactor for BMS and contactor for fire alarm.
Correct.
Yes.
This is the contactors, and the for fire alarm here it is must be. This is RF1 fire alarm,
This fire alarm.
and override is also there.
Yes. And
Fire
diffuse.
alarm also for
and override. Yeah, fire
Override-
alarm,
عشان override
override,
panel.
and contactor.
This is for
Yes,
override
and
panels.
if
Other
I
panels.
close
Override
this
panel.
fuse, I think I can close this. I have fuse for fire alarm here.
Yes,
Yes.
you have.
Fuse for fire alarm and fuse for BMS. Yes.
Correct. Yes.
This is the fuse. This is the fuse.
Yes, these are the fuses.
Fuse for fire alarm, fuse for fire.
We have given everything. Yeah, name is there.
Oh.
K10. Okay. Now K10 is given. Now here we have to see where is K10. This is 10K. And here you can see this K10. So this cable is coming here. It is like that.
هي بتيجي جاهزة يا باشمهندس ولا انت اللي
هم اللي
بتوصل
عملوها. لا هم اللي عملوها هنا. هم اللي عملوها.
يعني بتيجي جاهزة وانت جاهزة
هم بيجوا يعملوا لها اسمبل بناء على اللي احنا طالبينه.
اه.
يعني this MCC that you are يعني that you prepared should be as per the our load schedule of MCC.
Yeah.
Okay. You need from us the load schedule.
Load schedule we need,
and the
and we need.
sequence of operation.
Yes.
And what is the integration between the MCC panel and the fire alarm, if it's for exhaust fan or HUs or FTUs like this, and also for BMS. Okay. And you are making integration between يعني MCC panel. There is integration between the fire alarm, BMS, and override panel.
Yes.
Okay, now what you need to understand, if we are now making integration between the three systems, two systems and one panel, BMS, fire alarm, and override panel. So, what is the procedure should be done if there is a case of fire?
If there is a case of fire.
Okay.
See, here the requirement was, if there is a fire, we have provided the fire is on topmost priority.
Yeah.
So which will bypass all interlock and it will switch on high speed.
For the exhaust fan,
Yeah,
it will work on high speed.
high speed
Okay.
during the fire.
Yes.
In the normal condition, it will operate from BMS.
So once this close, this will be open.
Yeah, and then it will operate from here.
It will operate from here. This okay. This order it take يعني to make close, to make this close from the override panel, right?
No, this is from fire alarm panel.
From fire alarm panel.
Same way, if there is a override interference, so override will have topmost priority, then fire alarm.
يعني so override it has the priority over any panel.
Any panel,
BMS or fire alarm.
fire alarm.
انت هو بص هو احنا لما بنيجي نعمل ام سي سي بيبقى فيه انتجريشن ما بين الام سي سيهات والفاير الارم والبي ام اس تمام وفي حاجه اسمها اوفر رايد بانل بيبقى بانل عاديه الاوفر رايد بانل دي بيبقى ليها السلطه الاعلى فوق الفاير الارم وفوق البي ام اس ان هي تعدي كل ده اي حاجه ممكن يعني اي اوردر هي ممكن تديها لها وفي نفس الوقت هي اللي بتعدي كله وهي بتدي الاوردر اللي هي عايزاه في حاجه بتقيسه في حاجه عشان كده اسمها اوفر رايد اوفر رايد هي كل اكبر حاجه اعلى حاجه بس هو ده
This is protection for control circuit. This is protection for motor starter. Motor.
For motor, yes.
For motor. This is for control circuit.
Yes.
Okay. These fuses are also for control circuit.
Yes.
Now this plug-in relay, what happens?
And this one.
Yeah, this what happens when one contact is there, only available, and we have to use multiple contacts. Like we have to use for fire alarm, for override, for BMA, and for individual. So, but we have one contact only. So in that case, we will use this relay. That contact will energize this relay, and then this relay will give us 4 contacts. What is? One contact will give us 4 contacts. For that, this relay is used. In reality, we have only one contact, one command only, but we need 4 commands. So this is command multiplication. This is for that. This
No,
is
again,
for transformer.
sorry, Mr. Siddiq. Sorry. Again, for what this he is
Yeah.
asking?
See, actually we have to use fire alarm. We have to consider override. We have to consider BMS.
Yes.
And we have to consider panel on off.
Manual on off, yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So there are 4 commands.
Yes.
Now, in reality, we have only one command.
Yes.
But we have to, because voltage will mix. This supply will mix, voltage will mix. So, making multiple commands, we have to use this command.
We have to use relays.
relay. So, this is multiplying the command.
Multiplying the command. Yes, yes. So once he takes the order, he will
Multiply
gives an instruction for four
for different ways.
different ways.
Correct.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Where? Like this. You are here making continuity and measure test, right?
Yes. This is testing is going on. He is our quality manager.
How do you?
Fine. No, this is not LV fan. This is PLC
We
fan.
have had
PLC.
they came, asked them to keep it in this.
No problem, no problem. We can see you are making continuity and measure here, right?
Yes.
Can we see what is the procedure you are doing?
Yeah, sure.
Will already be taken care. We continue.
He was calling to me. Saying that he I have to work.
See, for every factory acceptance test certificate for the customer.
Factory acceptance test,
Yeah.
yes.
We have as per IC,
IEC
61439.
439. Yeah.
correct? We have standard test which is to be followed for each and every panel.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct? Now what we have done is, whenever customer is here, we have to witness the test. Customer wants to witness the test. So what we are doing, we are testing in front of them.
Yes. يعني
verifying-
random.
Mega test.
اوكي الميجر تيست ده هو الانسوليشن تيست يا جماعه عشان دي
Yeah.
مسميه
Mega and insulation both same.
yes.
Yeah. Mega is a device actually, company which manufactures the
Mega is
equipment.
yes yes.
Yeah.
Okay, can we see please?
Yeah.
يعني
Can come from
Okay.
here. Now for visual inspection, we have two things.
Yeah.
One is the bill of material verification.
bill of material.
Yeah. So whatever we have as per the drawing, it installed in the panel or not.
Yes, you are
Second thing is the dimensions.
dimensions. Yeah.
Correct?
As per the manufacturer.
Correct.
Okay.
So as built drawings and as per the approved drawings, we have two things in visual inspection.
Okay.
In mechanical functions, we have to see that the ACB, MCCB, each and every function of the breaker should satisfactorily working or not. Correct? So
And if
tripping
you are
function
making
on off.
tripping like this, you are pressing the this
Correct.
button. I think it's orange button.
Yeah, orange button is for trip. For MCCB,
only
it's
for
a
the-
white button. Yeah.
white button for
Correct.
the ACB.
And for electrical functions, we have to energize the panel. We have to give supply to the panel.
For the
electrical
function. Yes. Supplies the balance.
Yeah, and then we have to see electrically whether breaker is motorized charging or not. Then every function of the meter, just like voltmeter, ammeter is functioning
there
or
is-
not.
yes.
We are getting the supply through RY phase, then neutral to phase, like that.
Okay.
So that is called as electrical function.
Okay.
So for that we have to use the power to energize the panel.
This AC power.
As per as site condition, it is similar.
Okay.
Correct? Then comes Megger, insulation test.
Okay.
In this insulation test, we have before dielectric test. So before the dielectric, we have to perform Megger once.
Okay.
Okay. The connections are we have to short Y, B, neutral and earth phase.
Okay.
And with respect to this, we have to test R phase.
Our phase with this.
Yes.
the
So
other
it's a insulation between R phase and
one.
rest
yellow
all.
and yellow and blue and everything.
Correct. Everything. Similarly,
From
second,
yellow to the other.
correct.
From
Yellow to
blue
other, blue to
uh,
other, and then neutral
from
to
neutral
other.
to others. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So this is the test for dielectric
The
performance.
electric.
After that, this is a HV test, high voltage test. In high voltage test, this is a kit. We have to apply 2.5 kV, means 2500 volt
2.5 kV.
kV
This
for 1
according-
minute.
For 1 minute. This according to which standard?
IC 1661439. The same, similar.
IC 61439.
Correct. Okay.
2.5 kilovolt
For 1
for
minute.
1 minute. At which component?
For
which
all.
component?
Total panel.
For all panels?
Yeah.
For all
And-
components?
Yes. And what we are doing is, again here the similar case. We have to short RYB phase similarly. And with respect to neutral, we have to provide the high voltage.
From red, yellow, blue
Yeah.
with relation to
With relation to
only.
neutral. Yeah.
Only. This is for the electric test.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, individually also we can perform. Individually to R phase with respect to neutral, Y phase with respect to neutral, and B phase with respect to neutral.
Yes.
This also we can perform.
Okay.
Or we can short 3 phases.
These 3
and
phases with
all
neutral.
with respect to neutral we can check.
Okay.
After this test, again we have to perform the insulation test.
Mega test.
Similarly, like this. So R phase with respect to all, Y with respect to all, and B with respect with neutral with respect.
Yes,
So all
Okay.
like that.
Can we see anything?
Yeah, we can see this test. There are two things. high voltage is a different test than insulation test. Insulation is the insulation between 2 points. Okay, now how we confirm the insulation is there? There are 2-3 things. One is the air insulation, gap between the phases and neutral.
Yes.
Second is the insulation cover. Third thing is the wire. So what happened is, once you provide high voltage for 1 minute, if it sustains, it should sustain.
Yes.
After that, again you have to perform insulation to see that there is no breakage.
Yes, yes. Because
this is
maybe after the high voltage
Correct.
applying,
So it's a
it will be
re-verification
interruption.
of the insulation.
Yes, yes.
And it is recommended by AC. So we have to perform before power frequency and after power frequency.
Okay, please, can we see?
Yeah, so we can see here, we can come from here.
لا ده يوم هم.
Now see, we have, this is a complete range. This is MV panel. This is the incomer. So this is the phase. This is a breaker. So what I will do it, I have made breaker on right now.
Now it's on.
Yeah, now it's on. So
And
the
if
supply
you-
is
if you
coming
touch
directly
it-
to here.
If you touch it, you will be energized.
No. Right now no. On means mechanically on. Okay? Means whatever supply we will provide over here, it will come over here like that.
yes,
Okay? And total panel is connected together like this up to here. So whenever there is a breakage, we have connected. Means
Where main breaker, please? Where main breaker? Position.
main breaker is here. This is a main breaker. There are 2 main breakers actually. So there is an interlock, mechanical interlock,
Yes.
electrical interlock.
Yes.
If this breaker is on, this will not get on. If this is on,
Yes.
it will not get on.
Yes.
So like, okay?
Okay.
Now, suppose I have to test this panel for Megger test.
Yes.
Okay? So similarly, what I will do, I will connect this phase to neutral. One
Phase?
phase.
One.
Okay,
this
one
is neutral,
connection.
yes, this is
And
neutral.
this is connected here.
Yes. Okay.
Or we will check R phase first. So
Okay.
this is now neutral with R.
Ah,
Correct? Now I have to apply 1000 volt, 1 kV.
1000 volt.
Correct? This is a DC supply.
Ah.
Once I put test on, it is showing me how much is the ohm value.
Ohm.
So as
Oh,
per
meter
standard,
ohm.
as
Yeah.
now it's above than 1000 mega ohm.
Above.
Correct?
Above
Don't
1000.
touch, sir. Don't touch. The supply is there.
انت ايه يا ابني؟ ابعد يا حبيبي. عايز توديهم ده؟
Okay. So once I push test off, it will come to 0. Now as per standard, it should be more than 100 mega ohm.
100.
Yeah.
Now it's more than 1000.
Yeah. So it is pass
So
like that.
as per IEC,
As per standard, yeah.
it
as
would
per
it should be more than 100 mega ohm.
Correct.
Now it's more than 1000.
1000. So it is
too,
pass. Yeah, it's too much high.
Yes, it's good. Good.
Like that.
Ah.
Now if you want to test, how to test that this is working fine.
Ah.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I connect this connection
Yes.
to here again, this is now
It's the
short.
same.
Insulation fail.
Ah.
So it should see fail.
Zero. Yes. No insulation.
No
Yes.
insulation. It's fail.
Yes. Now it's
Like that.
working, yeah.
So whenever in the total panel, if there is an insulation failure in any case between any phase with respect to neutral or phase to phase, this will deduct
Yes.
and it will
Zero.
detect at any case. You can short it. Like suppose up to this level is okay, then
Yeah.
I can check from here to here.
Ah.
Like that also I can
To see if there
pinpoint
is
where is the problem.
if
actually.
there is continuity here, because it should not there continuity. And if you need to check from here to here,
Correct.
just to check if there is continuity between them or no.
Correct.
So
Correct.
if there is continuity, so there is
Correct,
something
that is
wrong
a
here.
failure.
Ah.
But what happened is, there is when there is a very small connection also.
Ah.
Suppose one strand of wire is connected here by mistake, so it will show continuity.
Yes.
But in Megger, it will directly get failed
Ah. Yes.
because through that link, it will showing that the insulation is failure,
Yes.
like that.
Yes.
So what we are doing is we are doing this test for all, means as I show you,
Ah, yes.
with respect to each phase and rest all are.
Yes. Okay. Now this is the Megger test. We know it. For the dielectric.
Yeah, for dielectric, shall I connect it right now? Shall I do test?
Okay. Yes. Sure. We need just to see it.
We have to do high voltage test.
Okay.
So what we are doing is we are giving 2500 volt for 1 minute.
ده طبعا ده ما تمثل.
Now what is the difference between Megger and HV? HV is a AC volt and in Megger it is a DC volt
ميجر دي سي.
because of insulation, okay?
But but the electric is AC.
Correct.
2.5 kV.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now see, here we have applied.
Okay, what is the connection you are making now?
Yeah, now what we have done, we have shorted RYB phase,
RYB
we have shorted,
short gauge.
and we have provided one terminal over here, supply terminal.
Okay.
And with respect to other is to neutral.
Okay.
So now how HV is performing? 3 phase with respect to neutral.
3 phase with respect to neutral. This is the electric. Okay.
Okay. Similarly, as I show you for the Megger test, suppose there is a HV fail. Okay. This instrument is make the supply off, just like short. Means
If
what?
it is short, so
Yeah,
it will
if
make
the short,
off.
yeah. And if we have 2.5 kV, so it is automatic. Once I start it, it is getting the voltage from 0 to 2.5 kV.
Okay.
Then at 2.5 kV, the timer will get on automatically.
It will
So
be,
from 60 seconds to 0 second,
Yes.
we will apply 2.5 kV continuously.
Yes.
So 1 minute it should withstand. This panel should withstand that much voltage. So that we are saying the high voltage means the power frequency test for phase to neutral is okay.
Okay.
Then automatically after 0 seconds means after 1 minute, it will decrease the voltage from 2.5 kV to 0
Okay.
automatically.
Okay.
So this is a test. So
Let's see the test. Okay.
yeah. Now voltage is getting built. Do not touch.
No one touch, huh?
Now voltage is getting built. Timer is at 60.
Until it reaches
Yeah, it will
2.5
reach
he will count. يبقى كده يا جماعه لحد ما توصل 2 ونص ويبقى يعد بقى 60 ثانيه عشان اجبر اي سي تستنى. زي ما انتم شايفين.
Now it is getting operated.
Why it's not 2.5?
No, it's a 0.1 error is always there. We can increase it, but this is a common step. See, now it is at 2.5. We can increase the knob like that. So it is not manual adjustment.
If I touch this now, what will happen?
No, actually, if you touch to phase, then it will be problematic.
For me?
Yeah,
Why?
because 2.5 kV and that is AC.
I cannot see what will happen. IEC.
See, now it is passed
Boss now.
and the voltage is start.
Start to lower.
Actually, it is on manual mode.
So you need to
Yeah, and one more thing, emergency stop.
emergency.
So now what we have done,
You cannot touch also now.
no,
it's,
actually once the supply is off, it is not problematic always. Only one thing we have to taken care always in the DC mode or AC mode. Whenever the supply is hot, mean actual in testing mode, you should not touch anything.
Yes. But after this you can touch.
Yeah,
No problem.
after this one. Now see what we have done is we have tested this complete panel from here to there.
Yes.
Okay, for HV test.
Yes.
Now this is complete automatic test, means we are not doing anything. We are applying as per the standard the voltage for 1 minute and it should pass.
It should
So
pass
this
like
is the
this.
test. So
Okay. And then you will make a Megger again.
Again Megger.
Again.
Correct.
The same first
same
one.
way that we have done earlier.
Okay. Thank you. Where is Mr. لو حابب فيديو معين وعايز تدخل تدور عليه يبقى لازم تروح على القوائم زي ما انتم شايفين. ما تنسوش تعملوا سبسكرايب ومتابعة صفحتي على اللينكد ان وعلى تويتر وعلى فيسبوك. شكرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.